I get you 2,000. I said, for that.
You know the game today.
I said, it's raggedy.
I'm gonna ask you just what you think about Rocker Baby. You know?
What you call it? Rocker Baby.
That's what you call it Rocker
You
Baby.
used to call it Rocker Baby.
Yeah.
We go, who was it? Was it
You, Michaela.
me and Michaela?
Yeah.
She said, come on, let's go down the street. Get in there, start going. She said, hit it. That thing go, whoop, whoop. Yeah.
So then you see Rocker Baby ain't got no heart, no nothing.
No, nothing.
What you think?
It's all right. I want to see how I drive once you get it straight.
Oh yeah, like I said, this shit.
If I do what,
like I said, when
Do you want to drive it?
like I said, when we hit it, it should go on up out of here. Cause like I said, I want to say that 305 was like 140 horsepower, and this one is like 305 or something like that. Stop.
what you take out? That one back there.
Yeah, this one right here.
Last thing Dad said when he got sick, he said, don't you let no damn nigga have my copper, DJ, because I told him he could have it. I said, all right, Daddy. Ain't nobody gonna want nothing they got to spend a lot of money on. He said, DJ will fix it right. I said, I'm gonna keep it for him. And believe me, a lot of people's come by there and wanted it.
I'm sure.
They did.
Like
$7,000.
I said, it's a popular car. Like I said, it's hard to find them that's
Metal.
clean and all together. Because the only thing that is missing is the
The side there.
pieces.
Right.
And I got those. I bought some new ones. They in one of them boxes somewhere. So,
How about that?
but yeah.
You took this out by yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Took it out.
Very
yesterday.
talented, isn't he? That's talent, isn't it? Come on.
Huh?
GG, that's talent, isn't it?
Yeah.
I said I took it out.
You have to
yesterday.
open up you a shop.
I don't want to work on other people's stuff. I just want to work on my stuff. But yeah, I got the front off and somebody put two of the headlights upside down. I don't know what jack leg you had.
Not me.
Granddaddy.
Daddy, yeah.
Daddy did that.
Daddy won't let nobody mess with
Martin
it.
Luther.
Or Martin Luther or somebody else.
And then the motor mounts were supposed to have been bolted in. They were welded in, so I had to cut those off.
I will be
Any
done.
lasting words you'd like to say? Any lasting words?
And what?
Any
Last
last words?
Last words?
You better take care of Kite.
Oh, I am.
Rocker baby.
Rock a baby.
Oh, trust me. Trust me. If I get this thing running, and if I don't put a new suspension on it, it's definitely gonna be rocking. I'm at least gonna put some shocks on it, so it ain't gonna rock as much. But like I said, trust me, when I get this thing where I can put it in drive, and I got the cooling system on it, it probably gonna have no exhaust on it, so it's gonna be loud. But I'm coming down there. We gonna
All right.
It might not have no plates on it, but we gonna.
Well, we'll just end up across the street there somewhere in the
Just take the
bushes.
place on mine and just
Like I
go
said, yeah,
and
I
grab
might
the
have somebody follow us a couple blocks. But yeah, like I said, my goal is Father's Day to have it where I can hop in it, start it up, and drive it.
All right then.
Got a long ways to go, but just
Well,
a little bit at a
take your time, because Daddy said, don't let nobody have my damn car but DJ.
Oh, yeah, it's up here. We working on it.
And I said, hey, Daddy, I ain't gonna mess with your car. You said DJ, that's who gonna get it. And so many people come by there and wanted it.
Yep.
A lot of
price.
people.
$7,000.
Huh?
$7,000.
Lot of
You can't sell it.
lot of people. I said, no. My daddy said keep it for his grandson, so that's what I got to do.
You want to say anything about your Carolina Tall Heels? You want to say anything about them?
You know they the one.
That's right.
They the champ. Gonna be the champs. Might take them a time, but they gonna get there.
Yep.
We have to hang with them in the...
Do the good and the bad.
Good and bad. That's right. We sure do.
You want no Chinese food or nothing like that? What you gonna eat?
I eat something.
Lord, April, you seen the seats?
Yeah, we came earlier and saw them. You like them?
Yeah.
They're comfortable. They're not all the way bolted in, but you can sit on them.
Oh yeah, I like that color.
Yes, it's a good color.
They comfortable too.
Feel them. You gonna touch?
Like I said, they're not bolted all the way in, but they ain't gonna go nowhere.
Get out of here. What heifer gonna be up in here?
Keisha,
Oh.
Now, GiGi.
Oh.
You gonna put some tint on the windows.
Can't ride around where?
fish bowling.
Oh.
Yeah, you got,
Everybody see you.
yeah, you got to be some tin on there. And for the summertime, too.
Yes.
Like I said, the heat.
Yeah.
All right. I tell you one thing, it used to would move out.
It sure would. It will rock too.
Rocker baby. Name it Rocker baby.
That thing would rock.
Oh, trust me, the shocks are blown on. That's why
Yeah.
it's rock. These shocks is gone on this thing right here.
Yeah, but Kayla wanted to go to the store. She didn't want nothing. She just wanted to get in Rocker baby.
Smell the gas.
Get in there. She said, hit it, Grandma. She said, what? Go on, DJ. I know it ain't gonna look like the same car when you finish with it.
It's not.
Look at all this stuff he done took off it.
I know. All right, GiGi.
Like I
Let's
said,
go
I
so
got-
you can go back to work.
I got a bunch of new stuff to put on it. So, like I said, hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be able to just hop in and start it.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I still got to do drive shaft and cool system, all that stuff. But hopefully I can get it where
Was
I can.
all that to all the pieces?
No, I mean most of it's probably pretty good. Cause it's not a lot. It's just the condenser, the radiator, the drive shaft, and the exhaust. It's not a lot over there.
Lord.
The car itself is in good shape. It ain't got a lot of rust on it or nothing. I'm happy about that. The car is solid. I just gotta give it a new heart so we can crank that joke up and get down the road.
Yeah, get in, Rocker baby.
As soon as I get it started.
All right.
Like as soon as I get it started and it got some brakes, I'm putting it right on down there.
All right, then. All right. Because he said, don't you give my damn car to nobody. But my grandson. I said, I got you. And you would be surprised at the people that come by there and wanted to buy it.
Yeah.
They gave you $1,500 for it. I said, my daddy told me to give it to DJ, his grandson, because if I didn't, he was going to come back and kick me in the butt. So I better keep that, and I don't want no dead man kicking me in the butt. So, a lot of people wanted it. I get you $2,000. I said, for that?
You know the game today.
I said, it's raggedy.
Behind,
It's all about the potential.
They said, that's all right, that's all right.
Why?
So,
Let me get back to work so I can get this thing
Oh, come on. Gotta stop making excuses.
to a decent point where I
Stop
can
it.
put it back on the wheels and
Everybody else old.
like I said, I'm gonna keep working on it.
all
you
right.
know, as time goes.
All right, then.
Well, you didn't have to.
I want you to do like Eddie used to do when somebody tell you to hit it.
Oh, trust me. If I hit it, it's going.